So today we're going to be looking at leaves. Now it's that time of year where everything starts to change color, and so it's the fall time. And I thought it would be kind of neat to see the switch between the green and the browning, or the changing of the colors of the leaves. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to pick leaves here. We had a maple tree first, and this here is a grapevine. We're going to take these leaves and look at them under the microscope. So let's get to it. Now we're under the microscope here, and this is the maple leaf. All these white lines that you're seeing, these are they're the veins of the leaf that transport the nutrients and the water and keep it green. But we see all this green, and we're starting to see some of this browning and this dying of the leaf. Now what happens is the tree is preparing for winter and reabsorbing its nutrients from the leaves, and it's going to seal off the leaf, and the leaf will then fall. So we're going to look at the green part first, and then we're going to find a really dead section and look at that. And then we'll look at the underside as well. Now, if you're new to the channel, please remember to subscribe and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope. And I just have to make an announcement, since it is becoming cold outside and turning into winter, for some of the great requests that have been made for living animals. It may be a lot harder to find some of those in the winter time, or as we approach winter. So I do have a list with what everyone has requested from me, and we will get to those next year if I can't find them before the snow falls. So here is a dead section, completely dead section of the leaf. We can see no more green, and that chlorophyll has been reabsorbed by the tree. Now let's look at the underside. This is the underside of the maple leaf. You can see the cells a lot better. That veiny structure. And this big thing here in the middle is one of those support veins that are, or stems, right in the middle of the leaf. You see that live to dead section. Now it's all dead. Anyway, let's check out that grape real quick, and then that will conclude the video. Here we are. Here's the grape. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and hope to see you next time.